Oh, excuse me. Hi, everybody. Stampasuit Creates here. I'm here to do an unboxing. I was contacted by a company called Beebeecraft, and they asked me if I would choose some supplies. They would send them to me, and if I would rate them, do an unboxing, and share them. So it took a long time to come. I was kind of surprised. Well, then I realized why was that it was coming from China. So I was kind of not too happy with that. I didn't realize that when it all happened. But anyhow, they did send me some product. I picked out 3 items. They gave me a limit as to what I can choose. And I was a little confused because the packing list has the items I chose. But then, like, of course, an invoice came, and the invoice is not actually what I ordered, although it has my name on it. So I'm a little confused about that. But anyhow, and none of the paperwork that came with it had their name on it, so I had to look them up online. So I found them online, and here they are. They're Beebeecraft, and it says Brilliant Choices for Crafting. If your order is over $25, they offer you free shipping, which is nice. So I'm going to look it up online so I can tell you exactly what it is, because the packaging, you know, it all came like this, all taped together. It was delivered via FedEx. And, I mean, you can't really tell by what this is as to what the items are. So I will look it up online here, and I will tell you what it is. So, of course, many of you may or may not know, I am based in the Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania area in the United States, and I've been crazy sewing masks. So I saw, let me get the tape off of this. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness, okay. So I saw this was one of the items that they were offering, and it says 3-layer non-woven fabric kit for DIY mouth cover, waterproof, intermittent layer, melt-blown filter cloth, soft and breathable, white and blue. One set can make 45 to 50 mouth cover. So yeah, this is exactly what it is. So I would assume here's the picture. So, I don't know. I guess it's that. Okay, so here's a little description of it. 1 roll blue waterproof non-woven fabric, 1 roll white mouth-blown cloth, 1 roll skin-friendly breathable layer. Okay. You could use scissors to cut it. Put the 3 same size non-woven cloth overlap, sewing the longer up and down the sides by using sewing machine. Oh, and they have a tutorial attached on the product picture. So okay, so it does have a water blocking layer, melt blown layer, which I'm not sure what that is, and skin friendly. Okay. Let's see what this says. Okay, so here it shows you how to sew it. Sorry, I'm a little off camera here. So I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I think maybe it might be something good to insert into the masks that I'm currently sewing. So it sells for United States price $16.29. So and here's a picture of what it's going to look like and how to do it. So interesting. But this is how it comes. It comes in a big, long type roll thing. So, yeah, I'll have to see. Like I said, it might be something good to cut and to put inside the masks that I sew, because the ones I sew have a pocket. So that could be something good to use inside there. So that was the one item I chose. And there's a lot of it in here. Okay. So the next item. Oh my goodness, this packing tape. I should probably just cut it. Let me just take it off of everything. Okay, there. Whew. The next thing I chose, this was, now let me bring it up here online. This was called embroidery. Let me just type in here so I can give you the proper terminology. Okay, hold on. Embroidery, like metallic embroidery is what they were calling this. And of course, I have an embroidery machine. Okay, here it is here. Okay, so here it is here. Penda Hall Elite 2 spools, gold and silver embroidery thread sewing machine thread kit spool for embroidery and decorative sewing. So you get the 2 colors. You get the gold and the silver. The price is $9.09. So about 0.1 millimeter diameter. Bring fantastic effects to all sort of your embroidery problem. They have a little problem with their English translation, which makes your design be very notable and royal. Each has, well, I'll do the yards, 3,937 yards. It makes these spools metallic embroidery machine thread ideal for all sort of embroidery projects. Made from extra strong polyester core, lower risk of breakage or fraying, extremely durable and strong. Used a lot in the emblem and uniform embroidery, as well as decorative and ornamental embroidery on elegant clothing. So, let me put this down. Let's, here's a couple photos of it. So, what's this picture? Embroidery threads are light, super glossy, and tough enough not to break in high-speed machines. So, I would assume this would be safe to use in my embroidery machine. Find the starter easily, pull it twice slightly, and start your embroidery. And you do get, like I said, gold and silver. And I mean, the spools are large. They're very large spools. So I will have to try it. Get the plastic bag open. Okay. Yeah, no, it didn't work. Okay, I'm going to have to use scissors and cut it open. I can't seem to get it to open. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so here they are. Okay, so here's the gold and the silver. So let's open this up and give it a feel. Okay, here's the start of it. I can grab it. It has kind of a odd odor to it, but I never worked with metallic thread before. But here's the gold. Let me see if I pull. Well, it kind of breaks easily when I pull. I mean, it's supposed to be strong to use in a machine. Extra strong polyester core, lower risk of breaking or fraying, extremely durable and strong. So actually when I broke it, the end did not fray. You probably can't really see that, but the end did not fray. So it would be interesting to see. I may try it in my sewing machine just to see. But so I got those, 2 of those. And that in. The final item I got were zippers. So let me type that in. Because like I said, none of the packaging really has anything on it. Here are the zippers. So it doesn't really say. Okay, so here they are here. Okay, so they are Bend Crete 72 pieces, DIY nylon, coil, flower, zipper, lace zippers for DIY sewing, tailor, craft, bed, bag, 24 color. And they sell for $19.99. I guess they have different ones, multicolor 1 and 2. Okay, so these were the ones, I guess. These are the ones I got. Let me see if I can open up this zip bag. I mean, there's a lot of zippers in here. Say 7 2-strand sets. Zippers are made of nylon, which is good. Let me pull one out. Oh, they're all, okay, I see. They're all like zipped together with a rubber band. Okay, so here it is. It's pretty, isn't it? with the lace on it. I never used those before. So these nylon zippers can be used for costume designing, clothing, pillowcases, boutique accessories, or other handicraft. Comes with 72 pieces, which is a lot for 20 bucks. Nylon lace flower zippers, enough for your daily family or craft use. Note, the picture shown is a representative of the item you receive from the actual size items. Picture may appear larger on your screen, color may vary, blah, 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 blah. So yeah. So they have different types of zippers. So these ones are the lace zippers. And they are nylon, which is great. Oops, sorry about that. I can use that in my embroidery machine. I just have to be careful of this little pull tab. And they zipper real nice. It's a very nice smooth. It has a nice end to it. So I think that they're super pretty. And let me push this aside so we can look at all the colors. So let me take the rubber bands off. So a nice variety of colors. I'm excited about the zippers because I do make a lot of different project bags. So you'll see all the colors here. Let me bring them all in so you can see them all. So look at all the pretty colors. Purple, of course, is my favorite. So I'm excited to use the zippers. I like that they have this nice pull on them. So when I'm making my little bags and that, it has a nice, this is nice instead of just a plain zipper pull. So I am excited about these. Look at even the green. I mean, pretty much any color that you would want. I see white. Oh, there's only, I think, only one white one. No, it's a couple. There's a couple of each color. Okay, so that's good. So I'm excited about the zippers because there's so many of them, and for $19.99, these are these say 9-inch zippers. Where's my ruler? I just had my ruler. 9-inch. Oh my goodness. Oh, here it is. Let me just confirm that. So here's a ruler. Okay, yes, it is. It's 9 inches from each end here. So yeah, I mean, that works. And I mean, it is a nice smooth pull. Yeah, I'm excited about that. So that is my unboxing from Beebeecraft. Like I said, these I'll probably use as inserts for the masks that I've been making. I think that would come out really nice because I'm already like used to making the masks I'm making. The embroidery thread will have to be something that I'm going to have to give a try, and perhaps I'll do, it's really coming off the spool. I have to put one of my holders on there. I will do an addendum to this once I give it a try. And I'm excited about the zippers. I'm really excited about that. So anyhow, it is beebeecraft.com online. And if you're into like beading, looks like they have a lot of different beads, jewelry making, all sorts of different types of craft related items, lots of bead things. So yeah, so anyhow, lots of jewelry making things, but they do, like I said, they do have here, it'll tell you home sales, new bestsellers, jewelry beads, jewelry findings, tools and supplies, string materials, crafts, and brands. I'm not sure what brands is. Oh, I guess the different types. So if you do crafts, all kind of craft supplies, you know, the kiddos are home now, sewing and fabric, that's where I found, this is that, the DIY mouth covers. So they have a lot of different sewing related items. So lace, all that kind of stuff. Like I said, the shipping did take a while, and then it goes on for, there's like 22 plus pages. So they do have a lot of items. So anyhow, I want to thank beebeecraft.com for sending me these items. I will check them out. Like I said, I'm excited about the zippers. This will come in handy when I make my masks, and I'll have to give this a try in my sewing and embroidery machine and let you all know. So thanks so much for joining me. I hope you have a great day. Excuse me for that. And we'll talk to you here real soon. Bye-bye for now.